The manufacturing cost of an item is $65.43. When we sell this item, we mark it up by 40%. What we need to figure out is the selling price of the item. So the selling price of the item is, since it's marked up by 40%, it is 140% of the cost price of the item. So we don't know what the selling price is, so we're going to call it X is, so that's equal to 140% of the cost price, which is given to be $65.43. So X, which is the selling price, is 140 over 100. That's what the percent symbol means. Of, so times $65.43. And that is equal to $91.60. So that is what this item is going to be sold for. Now when you enter the numbers into the calculator, make sure you do 140 divided by 100 times 65.43.